Hi, my name is Lia, and today I will be showing you the planets of the solar system, starting with the closest to the Sun. Its orbital period is 88 days. It is 67.728 million kilometers from the Sun. It is the smallest terrestrial planet. It has craters and ridges, with a rotation period of 59 days. Temperature of 430 degrees Celsius, and it is the closest planet to the Sun, with an atmosphere full of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Fun fact, Mercury is named after the messenger or their gods. The Roman Mercury has wings on his helmet and shoes. With 245 Earth days for one day, an orbital period of 225 days, the second planet from the Sun at 108.08 million kilometers, a terrestrial planet, which means it is made of a compact rocky surface, the hottest planet in the solar system at 471 degrees. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty and is the only planet named after a female, with an atmosphere of mainly carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. It is the largest terrestrial planet, 150.68 million kilometers from the Sun, mountains, valleys and water, up to 58 degrees Celsius, and its orbital period is 365 days. One interesting fact about its name: Earth is the only planet that wasn't named after a Greek or Roman god or goddess. The German word Earther, which not surprisingly means ground. And Earth has an atmosphere of oxygen, nitrogen and argon. Mars. Its orbital period of 687 days, 209.728 million kilometers from the Sun, terrestrial, slopes, dust devils, sand dunes, and 24.6 hours for a rotation period, with an atmosphere of mainly carbon dioxide. Mars was named after the ancient Romans for their god of war because its reddish color was of blood. Jupiter is massive. It is 318 times Earth. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Its clouds are up to 50 kilometers thick. Jupiter has been visited only 7 times. It is 768.72 million kilometers from the Sun. It is a Jovian planet, which means they have no solid surface and are pretty much just large balls of gas. An average of minus 145 degrees Celsius, an orbital period of 12 years. It is the 5th planet from the Sun, and its rotation period is 10 hours. Fun fact, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Fittingly, it was named after the king of gods in Roman mythology. Jupiter has an atmosphere of mostly hydrogen and helium. Rotation period of 10.7 hours, an orbital period of 29.4 years, 6th planet from the Sun, a Jovian planet, an average of minus 173 degrees Celsius, is surprisingly less dense than water, and is 143,350.6 kilometers from the Sun. Did you know that Saturn is named after the Roman god of harvest and time, the equivalent of the Greek god of time, Kronos? The atmosphere has hydrogen and helium in it. Second last planet from the Sun at 2,877,500 kilometers, orbital period of 84 years, a rotation period of 17 hours, the 7th planet from the Sun, a Jovian. Did you know that Uranus does not spin, it rolls, and Uranus's rings are made from dust? Fun fact, Uranus is the ancient Greek god of the heavens, the earliest supreme god. Uranus has an atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, methane, water, and ammonia. A 16-hour rotation period, a 165 years orbital period, the 8th planet from the Sun, a Jovian, 200 degrees Celsius, its gravity is 1 like Earth's, 4.4763 billion kilometers from the Sun. The planet Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. In Greek mythology, he is known as Poseidon, with an atmosphere with mostly hydrogen and helium. I was unable to space out the planets or the Sun to scale as the spacing was up to 40 kilometers and the Sun is way too big. Thank you.